No, it doesn't take.
Were you recording?
No, I'm taking a picture. Oh, you have to what? Recording it. GoPro, take a picture. No,
GoPro, stop recording.
It's not even recording. It's fuck you. Yeah, I'm gonna break your camera this time and do it again.
Josh, that all the little things down now.
Oh yeah, come look at this.
Try it.
Yeah, I know. Blake, tell us about it, mate.
It's fully custom.
Fully custom. Let's take a walk.
Belt not bought.
Do like a pose next to it.
No.
Just do a pose, man. This is the one that we did a video on, that we actually went and picked it up. We actually cleaned it today and it doesn't look half bad. Pretty nice, mate.
Put all the stone chips in myself.
We just picked up a load of stones and just threw it at the front of it.
Oh, this is that conversation. It's not as bad as it was.
Yeah, it's just race car, mate. Don't worry about that, it's fine.
Weight reduction, which is where you put the diesel in.
This is where you repeatedly hit the wall with. Oh guys, first modification. Plastied it, boy. It still does feel... No, it's fine, it just needs washing.
When I stopped, there was a fly stuck to it.
Yeah, no, it's fine. What's it? It's alright. Here we have the Lucas, getting the sexy shots. Amazing. Amazing. I just don't know how he does it. Luke.
This is Josh's natural habitat, being brave.
Tell me your secrets of the vlogging game.
GoPro, record.
No, GoPro, start recording. GoPro, start recording.
GoPro.
Yay!
That's the secret.
GoPro, turn off.
They don't turn on.
Ah, right. Blake.
There's a fly inside the light.
Yeah, I've got a spire in my life. You know when I said about electrical tape? Boy.
Yeah, that's what you want, that's good.
No, there's a fly
Oh my
inside.
god.
I just told you that.
Oh.
I thought he was dead.
No.
Yeah, man, that's Fred.
Look, this is how you do bad boy bonnets.
Oh, he's gone.
Hey, he's still there, isn't he?
No, he's gone, man.
Where's
He's
the fly
hiding.
gone? Fly. There he is.
Yo, fuck that fly, man. I don't give a shit about him.
What?
I don't care.
Animal cruelty, Josh.
Let's touch tips.
Please this time. Then I'll do my intro.
That's fucking hot, that is.
Can't even see it, dude.
It's Paul.
I don't give a fuck about Paul.
This is the shit YouTube.
Why are you being like that for? Why are you being like that for?
JK. How do I stop it?
Keep going.
He's signing everything. Yeah.
Hi Josh.
Hey.
The battery. The battery.
No. Hey,
What have we got?
you're ruining it.
GoPro, stop recording.
Oh, Josh, don't bother.
The screen's gone off.
Amy, tap the screen.
It's only a game. Why you have to be mad?
It's the same
Done
back.
it, Amy.
That's just pissing herself. Yeah, dog. Put your phone on now. BJ.
It's your boy.
Are you mad? Why are you being like that for?
Why? You're sabotaging clips.
Sabotaging them clips, boy. It's a dog eat dog world, dog. Oh. So I think it was decent with the spoiler. You reckon? Race car, bro. Mate.
Yeah, race car. No, I won't want to do
Look at that. Just duct tape it, mate.
Mine's getting fucking those guys are not linking up.
That ain't a YouTube thumbnail, I don't know what it is. Sabotage.
Always plug.
Always plug. Seems a huge wide body now.
Josh, it's our next project.
Yes.
A joint drift car.
When I'm better. Not now, I'm ill.
You're not ill.
There. Is it XK? Hey, you got it right, XK.
Jaguar.
Jaguar?
Jaguar.
Yes.
Blown up by another car.
It's only the wheel.
Imagine that, his insurance.
Yo, dude. I can only see 4 wheels here. What the fuck's going
I bet
on?
that'd be like the biggest insurance payout ever as well.
You don't get it.
All these cars.
What?
Don't get it.
Blake, do you get the meme? I can only see 4 wheels.
It's not even camouflage.
Yeah, it fucking is, man. It's digital camouflage.
That's not. Do you really think that's digital camouflage?
Digital camouflage.
Yeah, Blake agrees with me. It's not digital camouflage.
You're not coming again. So I'm just finishing off editing the video that you have just been watching. Obviously this is the next day. Yeah, at that meet I was really ill. I'm feeling a little bit better now. I hope you guys did like the video. I know that it was a little bit short and a little bit choppy and stuff like that, and there wasn't really much car content. I really didn't feel up to it that day, but I still wanted to get out and get a video sorted. I've got the MFN leaving clips that are currently being edited, so definitely stay tuned for that because it's going to be awesome. Every single time at that MFN meet, you cannot explain or anticipate what is going to happen, because every single time it is different, and every single time it is better, and every single time it's more crazy. Thank you guys for watching this video. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Normal videos resume as soon as I'm better. If you guys do want to follow me or any social medias, all my social medias are in the description as well. Thank you guys for watching. Peace out. This has been my POV.
So you say you wanna get away. We don't need a plane. I could be your escape. Take you to a place where there's no time.